Hi kids, welcome to Moonbee Planet. As you all know, we are reading Peppa Pig 8 Peppa Pig stories. So, let's start with the second story. Grampy Rabbit's Hovercraft. What a beautiful day to go sailing! Grandpa Pig has invited Peppa and George to his sailing club. At the club, everyone says hello. They all own sailboats and they all love to float peacefully on the ocean. But Grandpa Pig has a problem. His sailboat is underwater. Zoom! Grampy Rabbit arrives in a hovercraft. The hovercraft rumbles loudly across the parking lot and onto the dock. "What is that monstrosity?" asks a member of the club. Grampy Rabbit drives over to his friends. He can see that Peppa and George are sad. "Our boat has sunk," Peppa explains. "Why don't you hop onto my hovercraft?" asks Grampy Rabbit. Peppa, George, and Grandpa Pig climbed aboard. The hovercraft can travel on land and water, so Grampy Rabbit bounces onto the ocean. He drives very fast, causing lots of waves. When Grampy Rabbit spots an island cafe, he drives onto the sand. And orders juice for everyone. He enjoys the sea, the sky, and the sailboats sailing by. But the sailboats are not sailing by. The wind has stopped, so the sailboats can't move. "We need to rescue them," says Peppa. Grampy Rabbit tosses a rope to each sailboat. Then he tows everyone back to the dock and into the parking lot. Grandpa Pig thinks his friends at the sailing club must be angry at Grampy Rabbit for causing noise and trouble. Instead, they thank Grampy Rabbit for saving them. "Hip hip hooray!" everyone shouts. Grampy Rabbit and his crew are heroes. The end. Thank you for listening. Please wait for the next Peppa Pig story. Bye bye, kids.